Western Digital 18 terabyte WD Purple Surveillance Internal Hard Drive. Worth the truth. What if your surveillance system quietly missed critical footage last night and you had no idea? That is the uncomfortable reality for anyone running a security setup on drives never designed for it. Standard desktop hard drives were not built for continuous multi-camera writing. They skip frames, they stall under pressure, and when something actually happens, the footage is either corrupted or incomplete. If your security system matters to you, the storage inside it matters just as much. Keep watching. Here is what most people overlook when building a surveillance system. They invest seriously in cameras, cables, and a quality NVR recorder, then quietly drop in whatever hard drive is available. And for a while, things seem fine. But underneath the surface, a standard desktop drive is already struggling. It was designed for short, occasional bursts of activity, not the relentless, never-stopping write cycles that continuous surveillance recording demands. Over days and weeks, performance begins to slip. Frame drops creep in during peak recording hours. Playback gets choppy at exactly the moment you need it most crisp. Multiple cameras competing for write bandwidth cause micro-interruptions that most users never notice until something critical is missing. And here's the thing. Sustained heat and constant vibration accelerate wear on drives not rated for always-on environments, quietly shortening their usable lifespan. You end up replacing drives sooner than expected, losing valuable footage and losing confidence in the entire system you worked hard to build. Then everything changed the moment people started using the Western Digital 18 terabyte WD Purple Surveillance Internal Hard Drive. Don't just pick any surveillance hard drive. Make sure it has a dedicated annual workload rating and all-frame technology so you never experience dropped frames, corrupted video, or unexpected early drive failure again. The WD Purple WD18PURZ is built entirely from the ground up for 24/7 continuous recording. Its 180 terabytes per year workload rating means it handles sustained write pressure that standard drives simply cannot survive long term. Running 8 cameras, 16, this drive officially supports up to 64 simultaneous HD streams without breaking a sweat. The 7,200 RPM spindle speed, combined with a 256 megabyte cache and up to 272 megabytes per second sustained transfer rate, keeps every single stream writing cleanly without creating bottlenecks in your system. All-frame technology works actively in the background, reducing pixelation, eliminating playback glitches, and keeping your video evidence sharp and legally reliable. 18 terabytes of capacity means fewer drive swaps, fewer gaps in coverage, and months of continuous footage stored in one standard 3.5-inch SATA bay. What would uninterrupted, trustworthy security footage actually mean for your peace of mind? Real-world users and independent technical reviewers consistently reinforce this confidence. A surveillance system integrator who deployed 8 of these drives across multiple client sites over a full year reported 0 early failures and 0 dead-on-arrival units, calling the WD Purple their default choice for 24/7 recording environments. A verified home NVR user running 8 cameras continuously for 6 months praised smooth, uninterrupted playback and quiet, cool daily operation. On the technical side, independent spec evaluations confirm a 1.5 million hour MTBF rating, conventional magnetic recording technology ensuring full RAID compatibility, and helium-filled construction that improves power efficiency in always-on installations. A leading surveillance hardware vendor described it plainly as a cost-effective, high-density solution for operations needing maximum footage retention per drive bay. One honest note worth mentioning: power supply quality genuinely matters here. A reliable PSU and properly seated connectors protect the drive and your footage over the long term. The Western Digital 18TB WD Purple Surveillance Internal Hard Drive turns an unreliable, frame-dropping storage setup into a system you can genuinely depend on, every day and every stream. Thousands of security professionals, systems integrators, and home users have already made the switch and stopped worrying about missing footage. If you are serious about the reliability of your surveillance system, this is the straightforward next step. I have dropped the affiliate link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and explore for yourself. Your cameras deserve storage that actually keeps up.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.